Pat's Listening English. Clear stories for your ears. Here we go. Noah, I just got a delivery notification.
Oh, nice. What does it say?
It says delivered.
Great, so it's here.
That's the problem. I don't see a package anywhere.
In our building, deliveries usually go to the lobby, right?
Yes, usually.
What was it?
A birthday gift for my friend.
For tonight?
Yes. I'm seeing her later, and I promised I'd bring it.
Okay, that makes it urgent.
Exactly. I don't want to show up empty-handed.
Let's stay calm. We'll check a few places.
Okay.
First, the door, then the mailbox, then the lobby.
And we should check the delivery photo, if there is one.
Perfect. Let's go. I'll check around the door. Behind the plant, too.
I'll check the mailbox again.
Anything?
Nothing. Still empty.
Same here. No box, no bag.
That's strange.
It might be in a safe place.
Like where?
Sometimes they leave it near the stairs or by the elevator.
Okay, let's check the lobby. I don't see anything near the elevator.
Not by the stairs either.
Okay, I'm opening the order page.
Do you see a delivery photo?
Wait, yes, there is a photo.
What does it show?
A door.
Our door?
I don't think so. The doormat is different.
So it could be the wrong door.
Or the wrong building.
Right. Let's not guess too much.
Then what should we do?
Two things. We can ask one neighbor, then contact support.
Just one neighbor. I don't want to bother everyone.
Agreed. Let's be polite and quick.
Okay, I'll knock on the closest door.
I'll stay with you.
Thanks.
Hello?
Hi, sorry to bother you. Quick question. Did a package come to your door by mistake?
Not today. Sorry.
No worries at all? Thank you anyway.
Sure. Good luck.
Okay. At least we tried.
Now support.
Yes. Support chat is usually faster.
I'm opening the support chat now.
Keep it simple. Short sentences. Clear details.
Got it. Hi, I need help with an order. It says delivered, but I didn't receive it.
Good. Now mention the photo.
The delivery photo looks like a different door. It could be the wrong address. My address is correct. What are my options? I need it today.
Nice. Very clear.
They replied, they'll investigate. They also say I can choose a replacement or a refund.
If you need it today, a replacement might arrive too late.
Right. I can buy a different gift locally.
Then refund makes sense.
Okay, I'd like a refund, please. How long will the refund take? They say 3 to 5 business days.
Okay, not ideal, but clear.
They apologized and gave me a case number.
Great. Save it. Screenshot it.
Done.
So the package is missing, but you have a refund and a case number.
Yes. Not perfect, but I can handle it.
Now we need a Plan B gift.
Yeah, I'll buy something simple nearby.
Like a small box of chocolates?
That works. Or a nice candle.
Perfect.
I'm still annoyed, but I feel calmer now.
You handled it well.
Thanks. I was worried.
Anyone would be.
Okay, let's go before the store closes.
Good idea.
Thanks for listening.
See you next story.